Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss next questions. Exercise 10, question number 13. The scalar product of the vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap with a unit vector along the sum of vectors 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap and lambda I cap plus 2j plus 3k cap is equals to 1, find the value of lambda. Suppose I am taking, this is our vector A. Suppose this vector A is given here 1, 1, 1. And the sum of vectors is our vector B. Vector B is our sum of these two vectors, that means 2, 4, minus 5 plus lambda 2, 3. Therefore, I will get vector B equals to 2 plus lambda, 2 plus lambda, 4 plus 2, 6 and minus 5 plus 3, minus 2. This is our vector B. The scalar product of vector A with unit vector along the sum of these two vectors. Unit vector along the sum of these two vectors. That means unit vector along vector B. Therefore, we need unit vector of B. The scalar product of vector A and B cap means unit vector of B is equals to 1. So first of all, find the unit vector of vector B. So the unit vector along vector B is given by B cap, which is equals to vector B upon magnitude of vector B. Now see here, vector B is given here. Vector B is 2 plus lambda, 6 and minus 2 divided by magnitude of vector B, which is equals to under root of 2 plus lambda whole square plus 6 square 36 plus minus 2 square plus 4. Okay. This is your B cap. That means unit vector in the direction of vector B. Now, we can also solve this. And after solving કરીને લખી શકીએ. Therefore, we can get 2 plus lambda 6 minus 2 divided by 4 plus 4 lambda plus lambda square. Therefore, I will write down directly lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4 plus 36 40 plus 4 44 here. Okay, so I directly 44 write down. Here this is our B cap. Now it is given that the scalar product of vector A and B cap is equals to 1. Here scalar product of vector A dot B cap equals to 1 here. Now what is the value of vector A? 1, 1, 1 dot B cap. So this is constant term. Constant ને તમે બહાર બી લઈ શકો છો એટલે કોઈ issue નથી. Therefore we can get 2 plus lambda 6 minus 2 divided by under root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 equals to 1 here. Okay. Now take the dot product here. We can directly multiply this scalar on the right hand side. Therefore I will get 2 plus lambda plus 6 and minus 2, which is equals to under root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Now simplify. Plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled out. Lambda plus 6 is here. Now squaring on both the sides, we will get lambda square plus 6 2s are 12 lambda plus 36, which is equals to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 here. Lambda square will be cancelled out. 12 lambda minus 4 lambda will be equals to 8 lambda here, and 44 minus 36, which is equals to 8. Therefore, the value of lambda, which is equals to 1 here. We have to find the value of lambda if the given condition is here. Okay, by use of this condition. Okay, this is quite simple question. Next question, question number 14. This one is important question. If vector A bar, B bar and C bar are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitudes, show that the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar, this vector is equally inclined with vector A, B and vector C. That means this vector makes an angle, same angle with vector A, same angle with vector B and same angle with vector C here. Okay. Now, the given condition is here. Here, vector A, B and C, vector A, B and C are mutually perpendicular and perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude, their magnitude also equal. Therefore, we can say that they are mutually perpendicular vectors. Therefore, we can say that A bar dot B bar is equals to 0, dot product 0, B bar dot C bar is also equals to 0, C bar dot A bar is also equals to 0, and their magnitude of vector A equals to magnitude of vector B equals to magnitude of vector C, which is equals to some constant K. They are equal in magnitudes. I am taking K as our some constant. Now see here, the next we have to prove that the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equally inclined to the vector A bar, B bar and C bar here. If we want to prove this, then we have to find the angle between these two vectors and these two vectors and these two vectors also. There are three angles made by this vector to this vector to this and this vector to C bar. Okay, the three angles we have to obtain. We can obtain the angles. Suppose the angle made by A bar plus B bar plus C bar with A cap or A vector is alpha, made with vector B is beta and made with vector C is gamma. Therefore, we have to obtain the value of alpha, beta and gamma. We can obtain it directly. By taking the cos alpha. We can use the angle between them. Cos alpha equals to dot product of these two divided by magnitude of these two. Okay? So dot product तो થઈ જશે easily. But magnitude obtain કરવું પડશે તમારે A bar plus B bar plus C bar નું જે અત્યારે હાલ આપણને ખબર નથી. So for that we have to obtain the magnitude of vector A bar, B bar and C bar. So how can we obtain the magnitude of vector A bar, B bar and C bar? So we know that the magnitude square of vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar, which is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar. This property we have learnt. Okay. Now simplify this thing. We are getting A bar dot A bar, that means magnitude of A square, plus A bar dot B bar, plus A bar dot C bar, same as B bar dot A bar, plus B bar dot B bar, that means magnitude of B bar square, plus B bar dot C bar, same as C bar dot A bar, plus C bar dot B bar, C vector dot B vector plus C bar dot C bar, that means magnitude of vector C square. Okay. Now see here, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot C bar, B bar dot A bar, B bar dot C bar, C bar dot A bar and C bar dot B bar all are 0 here. Therefore, we can write magnitude of A square plus magnitude of C square, which is equals to K square K. Therefore, we can write K square plus K square plus K square here. This is our magnitude of vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square. Therefore, we can get a magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar, which is equals to 3K square if we taking the square root on both the sides. Therefore, we are getting magnitude of vector A bar, B bar plus C bar, which is equals to root 3K here. So, magnitude not to apri સાથે magnitude મળી. Now, vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar, the angle between vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar with A bar, B bar and C bar are alpha, beta and gamma respectively. Suppose આપણે assume કરી લીધા કે alpha, beta, gamma angles measure કરે છે with A bar, B bar and C bar. This vector makes an angle with A bar, B bar and C bar, alpha, beta and gamma respectively. Therefore, first of all, find cos alpha. How can we find the cos alpha? So dot product of that vectors A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot vector A divide by magnitude of that two vectors, vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar into magnitude of vector A. Now simplify this thing, we are getting A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot A bar, that means A bar dot A bar plus A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. Therefore, I will get magnitude of vector A square plus 0 divide by, so this is root 3K into K. Okay, so magnitude of A square, that means K square, this will equals to K square divided by root 3K square, means 1 by root 3. This is the value of cos alpha equals to 1 by root 3. Same as you can calculate cos beta, which is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot B bar divided by magnitude of vector A plus B plus C, magnitude of vector A plus B plus C into magnitude of vector B. Okay, you can directly solve it out by A bar dot B bar 0, magnitude of B square, B bar dot B bar magnitude of B square plus C bar dot B bar equals to 0. And this magnitude is given here, root 3K into K. Therefore, we will get A square upon root 3K, which is equals to 1 by root 3. Therefore, cos beta is also equals to 1 by root 3. Same as you can calculate cos gamma, which is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot C bar divided by magnitude of vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar into magnitude of vector C bar. Okay, if you can calculate this, આ તમે calculate કરશો એટલે તમને મળશે 1 upon root 3, which is equals to 1 upon root 3. So here cos alpha equals to cos beta, here cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma. Therefore, we will get alpha equals to beta equals to gamma. Therefore, we can say that the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equally inclined to A bar, B bar and C bar. So, આપણે આ statement લાસ્ટમાં રાઇટ ડાઉન કરી દઈશું. સ્ટેટમેન્ટ રાઇટ ડાઉન કરીશું, ધ્યાન રાખજો સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ખાસ લખજો કે આ પ્રૂવ કર્યું આપણે. તો સ્ટેટમેન્ટ શું લખવાનું? The vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equally inclined to the vector A, vector B and vector C. તો આ રીતે તમે આ ક્વેશ્ચન પ્રૂવ કરશો. બહુ ઇઝી અને સિમ્પલ ક્વેશ્ચન છે, બરાબર? તો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે, ધ્યાન આપજો. Now we are going to discuss some more questions. Example number 26, which is quite logical question. Write all the unit vectors in xy plane. What do you mean by unit vectors? So we know that unit vector, that means the vector having magnitude 1 unit. We have to write down all the unit vectors in xy plane. Suppose this is our xy plane. And we know that the unit vector in xy plane, suppose this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, then the vector, this vector having magnitude 1 unit represents the unit vector in xy plane. Same as the vector in this direction having 1 unit magnitude is also represent our unit vector. આ unit vector થશે. Okay, so આ રીતે બીજો એક unit vector આ બાજુ બી મળશે. You can write like this. This is also unit vector. So therefore you can get unit vector in each and every direction by moving from angle 0 to 2 pi radian. By moving angle 0 to 2 pi radian, therefore we will get the unit circle having 1 unit magnitude and the origin 0 0. Okay, all the vectors having terminal initial point origin and terminal point on the unit circle are the unit vectors in your xy plane. Suppose this angle is theta, then we can write this vector r cap is equals to OP vector. Therefore r cap equals to OP vector, which is equals to cos theta sin theta. We know that x coordinate is denoted as cos theta, y coordinate is denoted as sin theta. Therefore we can write cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Here theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. Here 0 is included, 2 pi include કરવાની જરૂર નથી. બંને એક જ એક્સિસ ઉપર છે એટલા માટે. Okay, so these are the all unit vectors in xy plane. Clear? So next question, example number 28, which is also important question. Let vector A, B and C be 3 vectors such that magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of vector B is 4 and magnitude of vector C is 5, and each one of them being perpendicular to the sum of other two. Find magnitude of vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Here it is given that magnitude of all 3 vectors is given. So magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of vector B is 4 and magnitude of vector C, which is equals to 5. It is given that, and each one of them being perpendicular to the sum of other two. Suppose if I am taking A vector is perpendicular to other 2 vectors, that means A vector is perpendicular to B bar plus C bar, as well as B vector is perpendicular to other 2 vectors C bar plus A bar, and C vector is perpendicular to the sum of other 2 vectors, means A bar plus B bar. Therefore we can write dot product of these 2 vectors are equals to 0. So A bar dot B bar plus C bar, which is equals to 0, same as B bar dot C bar plus A bar, which is equals to 0, and C bar dot A bar plus B bar, which is also equals to 0 here. Now we want the magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. We want the magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Therefore I am taking magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square. આગળના એક્ઝામ્પલમાં બી આ જ લોજિક યુઝ કર્યું છે, એ જ લોજિક યુઝ કરો, which is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Now simplify this thing, we are getting A bar dot A bar dot A bar plus A bar dot B bar plus C bar as it is લખું છું. રીઝન શું છે, મને એની ડાયરેક્ટ વેલ્યુ 0 ખબર છે અને એક્સપાન્ડ કરીને નથી લખતો. પ્લસ B bar dot so B bar સાથે A bar અને C bar લઈ લઈએ સાથે એટલે C bar plus A bar plus B bar dot B bar એને અલગ રાખીશ. B bar સાથે આ ત્રણેયની ડોટ પ્રોડક્ટ આવે પછી A bar અને C bar ને અલગ લીધા, B bar dot B bar ને અલગ લીધા, ડાયરેક્ટ વેલ્યુ પુટ થશે. પ્લસ ચલો C bar dot A bar plus B bar સાથે રાખો અને C bar dot C bar ને અલગ રાખો. Clear? Now see here A bar dot A bar which is equals to magnitude of A square plus this one is 0. This one is also equals to 0 and this one is also equals to 0. This one is magnitude of B bar square and this one is magnitude of C bar square. What is magnitude of A bar? The magnitude of A is 3, the square is 9 plus 16 plus 5 square 25. Therefore, I am getting magnitude of A plus B plus C whole square, magnitude of A plus B plus C whole square which is equals to 25 plus 25, 50 here. Okay, we can also write like this, magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. By taking the square roots on both these sides, we can write 25 to 7 is 5 root 2 is your answer. The magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar can be calculated which is equals to 5 root 2 by use of this logic. Okay, આપણે આ લોજિક નો ખાસ યુઝ કર્યો, એ લોજિક બહુ સમજજો, બહુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ કરવાની જરૂર છે. નેક્સ્ટ એના જેવો જ સેમ લોજિક નો ક્વેશ્ચન, એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 29. 3 vectors A bar, B bar and C bar satisfy the condition A bar plus B bar plus C bar equals to 0 vector. Here sum of 3 vectors A bar plus B bar plus C bar equals to 0 vector is given here. Evaluate the quantity mu which is A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar if magnitude of vector A is 1, magnitude of vector B is 4 and magnitude of C which is equals to 2 given here. This is the most important condition here. If I am taking the modulus on both these sides, means I am taking the magnitude of this vector, then I will get A bar, magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar equals to 0. Magnitude of 0 vector is 0. Now I am taking whole square, taking square on both these sides, A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square which is equals to 0. What do you mean by this? We know that this is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar which is equals to 0 here. Now simplify this thing, we are getting magnitude A bar dot A bar dot A bar plus A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar plus B bar dot A bar plus B bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar, C bar dot A bar plus C bar dot B bar plus C bar dot C bar which is equals to 0 here. Okay. Now we know that magnitude of A square which is equals to A bar dot A bar, therefore we can write it magnitude of A whole square plus A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot A bar, both are equal, therefore we can write 2 times A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar, we can write C bar dot A bar, both are equal, therefore we can write 2 times A bar dot C bar or C bar dot A bar and plus B bar dot B bar, that means magnitude of B whole square plus b bar dot c bar and c bar dot b bar both are equal, therefore we can write 2 times b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot c bar, that means magnitude of c bar square, which is equals to z. Now all three magnitudes are given here. Magnitude of A equals to 1, magnitude of B equals to 4 and magnitude of C equals to 2 here. Therefore I will get magnitude of A whole square means 1 plus 2 times A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar. I am getting 2 common from them, therefore A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar plus magnitude of B square means 4 square 16 plus magnitude of C square, which is equals to 4, which is equals to 0. 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21. Therefore I will get 21 plus 2 times this one equals to given here A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar, which is equals to mu here. Therefore we can write mu here. So 21 plus 2 mu equals to 0. Therefore 2 mu equals to minus 21 here. Therefore I will get mu equals to minus 21 by 2. We have to evaluate this value here. We have to evaluate the value of mu, which is equals to A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar, which is equals to minus 21 by 2. એ easily obtain થઈ જાય છે. એટલે તમને આ mu પૂછ્યો હોય કે એક ક્વોન્ટિટી ના પૂછ્યો હોય, આઉટ પૂછ્યો હોય કે A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar, આની વેલ્યુ ઇવેલ્યુએટ કરો તો બી સેમ મેથડ અને એની વેલ્યુ બી આવશે minus 21 by 2, which is equals to our mu. Okay, so question ને બે રીતે પૂછી શકે છે, mu ના ફોર્મમાં ના આપ્યું હોય અને ડાયરેક્ટ પૂછે તો બી ધ્યાન રાખજો. ઓકે, તો આજના વિડિયોમાં આપણે આટલા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ રાખ્યા છે. ચલો આજનો વિડિયો તમને ગમ્યો હોય તો લાઈક કરજો, કોમેન્ટ કરજો અને આપણા ચેનલને હજુ સુધી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો ખાસ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી દેજો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.